Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I woke up very early because normally we go for our marriage counseling class every Saturday. So when I woke up, I was like, okay, after marriage counseling class, we went to our marriage counseling class. I think that was our last marriage counseling class. So we went there, and after that I just told my then fiance, that okay, can you put this address on the map? I just want us to go there. And he was like, where? I said, just put the address. So I typed the address on the map and we followed the map, and he saw himself in a bridal shop and he was like, what am I doing here? I said, yes, so there's this dress I saw online and this is their shop and I want to try it out. She was like, why didn't you just tell me? I was like, it's no big deal, I might not like it when I see it. But then the first time I wore the dress, oh my god, it wasn't nice. It was big and it wasn't really what I saw online, so I felt discouraged. But then I already made up my mind that was the dress I was going to wear for my wedding. So they took my measurement and did some adjustment, and this is me really happy trying out the second time, and it fits so well and really cool dress. I really loved this dress from the first day I saw it online. So after that, we decided that okay, fine, I'm going to take it, I'll pay for it, and I'm going to pick it up and travel with it. So this is me trying on my wedding dress. First time ever. It was really amazing. I had really good time and all trying out this lovely dress. And after that, we headed back home. So please stay tuned for the main look for that day, because I know you're going to enjoy it. So just stay tuned for the main look. So this is everything. This is what the car looked like when we carried the dress and all that. Yeah. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Abianto.